12 September 2025, war veteran and political activist Blessed Geza last night delivered a hard-hitting address accusing senior ZANU-PF provincial leaders of corruption, intimidation, and betraying the liberation struggle ahead of the party's upcoming conference. Sabida mashuka rubda pangwa inoi, Bombshell Geza, pangwa inoi, anwa the war veteran, and could lead the fight. Aiwa, ku reformer the government. Subscribe or like on the bell. The Blessed Geza issues blistering nation address ahead of ZANU-PF conference. In a speech, widely circulated on social media on Thursday evening, Geza castigated provincial chairpersons and senior officials for taking bribes and forcing the masses to accept resolution they do not want. He vowed that all veterans and citizens will meet them head-on to defend democracy. In quotes, he said, "Comrades, if you were not sellouts, you would respect the land for which so many shed their blood," Geza said, opening his address. "Now, I turn to the provincial chairpersons. The behavior of taking bribes and forcing the masses to accept resolution they do not want must stop. This time we will meet you head on. We went to the war so that Zimbabwe would have democracy. Yet, you provincial chairpersons are forcing people to follow your wishes and those of the plantons." Geza also revisited the Boven conference, accusing ZANU-PF of misrepresenting the outcome of its resolutions. He signed out former Finance Minister PANECHAMISA for reading out the controversial Vision 2030 endorsements and claimed President Mnangagwa himself refused to break the constitution during the proceedings. When President Mnangagwa was mentioned, he himself said, "I participated in shaping the constitution of Zimbabwe. I cannot break the law that I helped to write." He refused to violate the constitution. He rejected the notion that the party had legitimately endorsed Vision 2030, calling it a lie, and reminded listeners that the constitution does not belong to ZANU-PF but the whole country. His remarks signal mounting noises within ZANU-PF ranks ahead of the party's annual conference, which is expected to set the tone for succession debates and policy direction heading into the 2028 election cycle. Too much developments aripo panguva ine. Bombshell Geza expose corruption irikuitwa nemaprovincial chairpersons panguva ine kubribe macitizens endorse the 2030 agenda. Tuzive mafungiro enyu moti kuli pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Nakomene section yedu, subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.